Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a README file for GitHub. This is essential for any repository as it provides visitors with important information about your project, including what it does, how to install it, and what features it offers. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create the README file. This will take you directly into that specific repository's main page, where you can view all the files and folders it contains. Once you're inside your chosen repository, look for a button that says Add a README. This button is usually quite visible if your repository doesn't already have a README file. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a new editor where you can start building your README file from scratch. In the upper left panel of the editor, you'll notice a field where you can customize the README name. By default, it should be set to readme.md, which is the standard naming convention. You can leave it as is or modify it if your project requires a specific naming format. Next, move down to the main text field. This is where you'll actually write the content of your README. Start by typing a clear project name at the top. Follow this with a short description that explains what your project does and why someone might want to use it. After that, list out the key features your project offers. This helps visitors quickly understand the capabilities and benefits of your work. Below the features, add a section labeled Built with where you can mention the technologies, frameworks, or languages used in your project. This gives developers insight into the technical stack and helps them determine if they have the right skills to contribute or use your project. Finally, include an installation section with step-by-step instructions on how to set up and run your project locally. Clear installation steps are crucial for users who want to test or contribute to your repository. Once you've finished writing all the necessary content, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on Commit Changes. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the commit. Click Commit Changes again to finalize and save your README file to the repository. And that's it. You've successfully created a README file that will help others understand and engage with your GitHub project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.